If you're running out of space on one drive or just want to reorganize your games, you can easily move installed games to another location in Steam without reinstalling them. First, make sure you already have another Steam library folder created on a different drive. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to add it in the storage settings before continuing. You can check how to do this in my How to Change Steam Download Location video. There's a link to it in the description. Now open Steam and click on the Steam button in the top left corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Storage on the left side. Here you'll see a list of your drives and the games installed on them. Select the drive where the game you want to move is currently located. Next, find the game in the list and click the checkbox next to it. You can select one or multiple games if you want to move several at once. Now I select one smaller game to show you how it works. After selecting the game, click the Move button. A new window will appear asking where you want to move the game. Choose the other drive or library folder you created earlier, then confirm the move. Steam will now transfer the game files to the new location. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drives. This game has a smaller size, so it will be faster. Once the process is complete, the game will be fully playable from the new location and you won't need to reinstall anything. This is a quick and easy way to free up space or take advantage of a faster drive like an SSD.